on board our Lagoon 380 sailing catamaran. Today is Clean the Cockpit Day. You can see the sunshades I put up round the catamaran to help keep it cool while it's at dock. Sailing and fixing makes the boat dirty, so when we don't sail or repair, I clean. It's easier to clean a boat with a scrub brush on a pole because there's so much to clean. I pulled the covers off of the cushions, and now I'm washing the foam to remove mold and mildew. This stuff will help keep mold from coming back for a while. It's a constant battle in tropical environments.